So today I'm reviewing this product. It's a BH Supplies Dedicated Care Disposable Syringe, and it comes with a Luer Lock. I'm pretty sure that's how you say pronounce it. It comes with 100 pieces, and they're all sterile individually, and they're non-toxic and non-pyrogenic. So this is what you get when you open the box. They're, like they said, each individually wrapped and sterile. And this is how they look overall. This is good to put medicine, like if liquid medicine for yourself, your dog, your toddler, things like that you need to. You can use it with a needle, or you can honestly just put it with some liquid and give it to your child, to you, your dog, anything of that sorts. And it's really easy to like go in and like to move this in and out. So yeah, this is like really nice, and it doesn't come out easily, which is convenient. They'll be for one-time use is good. If you want to repeatedly use it, it's gonna take time to clean it. But other than that, these are usually one-time use. So yeah, I would recommend this for like little things that would make things easier for you, your dog.